Ready to unlock the secret to dynamic, real-time communication with Twilio? Today, we're diving deep into setting up webhooks in Twilio. The key to building interactive and responsive messaging experiences. First, log into your Twilio account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Programmable SMS section. You can usually find it in the Products or Services menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Next, find the phone number you want to configure. Click on the phone number to access Settings. Scroll down to the Messaging section. Here, you'll find the Webhook URL Fields. These are the magic spots where you tell Twilio where to send information about incoming messages and status updates. In the message comes in field, paste the URL of your application's endpoint that will handle incoming messages. This is where Twilio will send the message data. When someone sends a text to your Twilio number, choose your preferred HTTP method, typically POST for receiving data. Then, in the message status changes field, enter the URL that will handle message status updates, like when a message is sent, delivered, or fails. Once you've entered your URLs, double-check everything and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully configured webhooks in Twilio. Now your application can receive and respond to messages in real time, opening up a world of possibilities for dynamic communication.